Hi guys, this is Nash Sharma, and in this session we will discuss SQL rollup and cube. What is the purpose of this one? Generally cube and rollup are used for the reporting purpose. Before that, we have to check why do we need the rollup and cube in SQL Server. Already we have the group by clause, and in group by clause you can aggregate the some value on the basis of the some field. Suppose in the left side we have a table that is the ID of employee, name, gender, salary and department. Now I have to calculate the salary of each and every department. How much is salary for the finance department? How much for the HR department? So that is the aggregation, and we can calculate this one by the using the group by clause. As you can see, select department, then sum and group by department. But we have a problem here. As you can see, the second point, group by clause does not perform aggregate operation on multiple levels. Means what? We have this level, finance, HR, IT. Now, suppose we need the grand total of all these figures. So this is not possible using the group by clause. Then SQL rollup and cube. So they can play the role for calculating the total and grand total of the multiple level hierarchy like this one. Now, how to use the rollup and cube in the SQL Server? First of all, we will check the rollup. So you can see the function of the rollup is calculating the subtotal and grand total, and it is the extension of the group by. It means it is always used with the group by clause. Before that, we have a table that is the name rollup test. We check some data. We have a data employee ID, name, then gender, male, female, and salary and department sales, HR, IT, and marketing. So we have to calculate the salary, total salary for each department. Means for sales department how much salary, for HR department how much salary. So for that purpose we can use the group by clause. So as you can see, we have a query that is the department, select department and some aggregation for rollup and group by department. It means we are creating the partition or we are creating a section. Say if I execute this query, so I get the result department name and then salary. It means in the finance department this is the total salary. In HR department this is the total salary. But we have a problem here. We do not have the grand total of all these figures. How to get that one? Then rollup can do that one. If we use the rollup with the group by, then we can have the grand total of all these figures. Say how to use rollup? It is the extension of the group by. So use rollup with the group by. Roll up, then bracket name of column. It means we are performing the rollup on the department column. If I execute this query now, so you can see we have one more row number 6. Name of the department is null, but 95600. This is the total of all these figures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because the function of the rollup is the subtotal and grand total, calculating the subtotal and the grand total. Now we have the grand total. Suppose this is the null value and we want to say grand total, total. For that purpose we can use the column scale function. If I execute this query now, so in the last one we have the total. This column scale function, it's an inbuilt function of the SQL Server and it needs two parameters. So we supply the department name and second is the text or string constant. This function first of all checks the first parameter. If the first parameter is null, then we'll take the second one. and if the first one is not null, then we'll take the first one. So we are using this function in select statement, so it will execute for each and every row. So first finance not null, HR not null, and finally the last one was the null, so it took the total. The functionality of the rollup we can check with this diagram. So as you can see, we have a query. In query we have rollup, then we have the department, and this is our table left side. And when we execute this query, so first of all it is grouping the data on the department base. So first department finance, we have 3 figures, and this is the total of these 3 figures. Second is the HR, then this is the total of these figures, then IT, marketing, sales. So this is the function of the group by, and after that then roll up is aggregating, it means is summing up all these hierarchy, all these levels, these ones. Then we get the grand total of these figures 95600. Now how to use the multiple columns in the rollup? So far we are using the single column, that is the department. If I add one more column, that is the comma, then say GEN gender. If I execute this query, so there are 14 rows. Why? Because now group by is creating the group with the combination of the department and gender. As you can see, first group finance female, second group finance male, then third one, this is the total of these 2 figures. The same thing in HR female first group, HR male second group, then total of this. So these are the null subtotal of the group, these one. And finally we have the grand total. As I told you, the purpose of the roll up is to calculating the subtotal and grand total. So this time we are creating the group by with the 2 columns. We can understand this example with this diagram using the 2 column or multiple column in roll up. So right now we are using the department and gender. So first of all the group by is applied, and it is creating the group finance female first group. These are the figures, and the second group is the finance male. So this is the total of these 2 figures, and this is the total of this group. Then we have the group HR male, HR first group, next group, then next group HR female, then IT female, then marketing female. So this time because we are taking the 2 columns, so SQL Server is getting the different groups with the combination of the department and gender. Then we have the totals for each and every group. This is the total for this group, this is the for this one. And finally these are the subtotals, and the roll up is summing up all the value of all these group by totals, subtotals. Then finally we get the grand totals. So this is how the roll up is working with the multiple columns. Now we come to the SQL cube. The SQL cube is very similar to the roll up, but SQL cube, it can calculate subtotals and grand total for all permutations of all the columns, means all possible columns of the column. Right now we are using the 2 columns, department and gender. How to use the cube? You just need to replace the roll up with the cube. If I execute this one, then I get this result. So before going through with this result, we check the diagram. So as I told you, the cube, it calculates grand total for all permutation of the columns, means all the possible combination of the column. So we are using the 2 columns, that is the department and gender. So as you can see this diagram, we have department, gender. So how the different combination are being created? Finance, then male, in finance, then female, then HR, then male, then HR female, IT male, and finally it also calculates the individually for finance, IT, sales, and marketing, HR. So this is the combination, all possible combination of these 2 columns. We can also check the diagram for the output of this cube. So we have the combination finance female, then HR female, IT female, marketing female, and all department. This is the total of all these 4 figures. Then another combination, male finance, male HR, male marketing. So this is the subtotal of all these 4 figures. And finally, all department, we have the total of these 2 figures. Then individuals calculation. For finance, this is the 1680. For finance, we have the 11800, then 5000, 2 figures. So this is the total of this one. Then HR, IT, and marketing. Now we can check the result of the cube of the SQL server. So we have the finance female, HR female, IT female, marketing female, then total, subtotal of this combination, 4 combination. Then male combination, male finance, male HR. Then we have the total of this combination. And finally, this is the grand total of these subtotals. Then we have the individual totals for the finance, HR, IT, and marketing. So guys, this was all about the SQL rollup and cube. I hope you understood everything. Thanks for watching the video.